Senpai will adore me in these. There he is, my one and only Senpai.
Say hi to Senpai.
He's my future boyfriend, he just doesn't know it yet.
Bring it on, Senpai.
Tell him all my feelings, all the thoughts I've been concealing, but it sounds so unappealing that I sweat a lot. Every day my favorite subject, Senpai.
Implicit Senpai.
I could sit and study him for hours at a time.
Sounds kinda boring.
His eyes, his hair, his derriere, it's crazy and yet I don't care. And I swear one day I'll finally make him mine. Who is that cute little student there, and why is she touching his arm? If she puts moves on my Senpai, then I'll have to cause her harm. Maybe I should clean up this body or just dump it into the trash. Senpai could never love her, cause we're such a perfect match. Everywhere that he goes, I'll be there and he won't know. Am I mad? Maybe so, but I love to sniff his clothes. Then I'll make him agree, he's my blushing boy to be. In the end, all my friends will then see Senpai notice me. Coconut keeps gazing at my Senpai.
Don't look at Senpai.
Maybe I should follow her and have a friendly chat.
Doesn't sound friendly.
I promise not to hurt her, just to frame her for a murder. She's a Senpai stealing sultry little brat. I think almost noon and no sign of my Senpai.
Hurry up, Senpai.
Could it be he's making out with her behind my back?
This could get ugly.
Let's offer her a shower, then we'll turn off all the power that keeps our things and get us back on track. Anyone who flirts with my Senpai gets my cell phone shoved in their skirt. Talking to my Senpai is not an option unless you want to be hurt. Why is everybody a bit uneasy when I pull out the sharp knife? I am not a killer or psycho, I am Senpai's future wife. Is this fate? Is this stress? Is this yandere duress? Or obsession, possession? It's anybody's guess. All I know is this school's full of murder-making tools. It's uncanny but dandy for me. So if I drink this drink, lemonade I think. So if I eat this fruit, just a bite or two. Senpai blew his nose. That's a little gross. Senpai wore this bathing suit. Senpai called this phone.
You just took her phone.
Senpai shaved his hair.
But it's not from there.
Senpai left his note.
What was that he wrote?
Senpai wore this underwear.
Those aren't mine.
Don't you wait, don't you stare, don't you act like you don't care. Touch my Senpai, I swear I will blow you like a pear. I'm not weird or a creep, though I watch my Senpai sleep. I'm not lovesick, I just want to see